What can I tell you guys about teriyaki tofu that you don't already know? It is sticky, sweet, savory, really deeply flavored. And when it coats some nice crisped up tofu, it just elevates the whole dish, and it is really addicting and satisfying and hearty and a perfect weeknight meal. And I'm going to tell you how to make this in one pan in less than 30 minutes. So let's make this easy teriyaki tofu. First, we will press our firm or extra firm tofu for at least 15 minutes. Firm or extra firm tofu usually comes packed in a little bit of water. So we want to press that extra moisture out so that the tofu isn't squishy and full of that liquid. And that will also allow the tofu to absorb more of the flavors from the sauce that you added in, as well as crisp really easily. Then either you can tear it into bite-sized organic shapes, or you can cube it into 3/4 inch cubes. Add a little bit of soy sauce. Toss the tofu to coat. Then mix some cornstarch, garlic powder and black pepper and toss all over the tofu. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, add your tofu to the skillet. Let it sit undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is golden on that side. Keep flipping them every half to 1 minute so that most of the sides of the tofu are crisp. Now in the same skillet, we're gonna make our sauce. Just add all of the ingredients of the sauce to the skillet over medium heat, except the cornstarch slurry. Bring this mixture to a boil. Mix your cornstarch in the water and add that to the skillet as well. Bring that to a boil. The sauce will thicken a little bit. Taste and adjust the flavor at this point by adding more salt if you want, some more soy sauce or some other flavor profiles, or some more heat if you want. Then add in your tofu. Toss to coat, and that's it. It's done. Garnish with some sesame seeds or hemp seeds for additional protein, some green onion, and it's just fabulous. Serve it over rice, quinoa, in lettuce wraps, or however you like. It's just a fabulously delicious and easy and sticky tofu. For it being so simple, it's just mind-blowingly delicious. If you don't want your sauce to be hot, just omit the pepper flakes. If you do try it, do let me know in the comments how you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.